welcome back to the shop. This customer here said, let's go ahead and redo the whole boat. Is that a project that I want? Maybe. Just like everything else I get involved with, it's going to be a complete disaster. We've got to tear everything out. It's going to need a new floor and possibly new stringers. That's going to be a lot of work, and it's going to stretch out over many months. We are working with a monthly budget instead of a project budget. This boat's going to a guy that's about to retire in a year and a half. We're going to save what we can save, reuse what we can reuse. But unfortunately, I think a lot of the equipment and decking and stringers and upholstery and just about everything else is going to have to go. So we're going to start by stripping it out. You guys know how much I like to do the demo on these things. It's hot. It's going to be about 100 degrees today, probably a good bit more with the heat index and the humidity and all that. There's nothing left to do now but to get after it. I'm hoping I don't catch chlamydia working on this thing. Filthy. Oh, that's so soft. It's just the carpet here. There's no flooring there. It's like, where do you start? You know? Where do we start here? And then, oh, I see. Let's do it that way. So the squirrel has been hiding acorns in here. I think we could probably save these seats. I don't see any reason. They're not rotted out. Plywood's good. Plywood's good. Sometimes I just sit and stare at a project and I wonder why my life is like this. Why are things this way? What did I do wrong in life? Perfect. Yeah, that one's not rotting either. Looks like we probably saved that one. Looks like we can save that one too. That's good. What are you doing, dog? Of course you can't hear me. Test that later. Good Lord. The gauge says it's bad. We'll see. Oof, what a mess. It's not shag carpet, but it's carpet. The whole time I've been messing with boats, I never heard anything about Bayliner taking the time to really overbuild their product. But at the same time, they didn't design these boats to have a complete lack of maintenance for 12 years either. Good Lord. Wow. Yeah. There's no drain anywhere in here. Strange to have a compartment that doesn't drain to the bilge. Oh, jeez, don't step there. Oh, there's a little drain. My boots didn't quite come up high enough. That's not good at all. My leg's gonna need a little patch there. A little patch. So I've decided to remove the windshield before we tear anything else out of the boat. This windshield would be costly to replace. Hell, there's 10,000 things that could go wrong and break one of these. I've got a nice place I can put these inside where they won't get damaged. We're gonna take off these 25,000 snaps. As you saw in the previous video, it had two different covers on it, but I believe that the better choice would be one cover that completely covers the entire boat. Got that one. So there's this whole segment of YouTubers, these content creators, that the focus of their channel is to teach other YouTubers how to make their channels more successful. And one common denominator between all of them, it's that you need to have what they describe as a call to action, which means you have to remind people to subscribe to your channel because otherwise they'll forget. And every time I hear that, I can't help but think that that's really not my style. Back to work. Probably gonna have to grind some of these off. Just a little foam stripping if it gets wrecked, it's not a big deal. I hope they all come out that easy. I've had enough. Shop update. Well, of course, we're still under construction, but I wanted to show you some progress on the shop here. There is, look at that, some tile, brand new flooring, ceiling tiles, still got that old dryer. Anybody want an old gas dryer, you can have it for free, come pick it up. Look at this, glass in the door, cut down a whole lot of stuff, trying to kill the rest of it. Nice paint job going on, huh? The lights work. What? Power in the outlets. I think this is gonna be my office. Yeah, it's not too bad, huh? Little view out front. Build a lounge in here. Hangout joint. Pretty good, huh? And this color is known as celery. Isn't that nice? The parts room. Still don't have the ceiling tiles done here. Another room. Celery. What are you doing in here?
Watching YouTube.
Oh, you're watching YouTube. Good. Better be fat guy in a little boat. Puppy update. Dog is putting on meat. Can't see those sharp hip bones anymore. Filling out nicely. Thanks to the ministrations of young Ryan here. Still deaf though. You guys have a great week. I'm gonna go drink a gallon of water. We'll see you next time.